2.8 engine, Midori Spec.
It's an expressway, so it's a highway system inside Tokyo. It connects different sections or wards, and there are 23 of them in Japan, in Tokyo. For example, Shibuya-ku, so ku is like the name of that's the name.
Maybach. Да. Let me change.
When you go outside, when you exit the parking place or so, some of the most famous bridges in Japan. And also, I think
I know, I never timed this one. C1 loop is 14 kilometers long, and driving at like 10, 20 above speed limit, that basically flowing traffic, because traffic flows around 20 anyways above, is about 12 minutes. This is longer. I would suppose that anywhere between 15 and 20 minutes.
Oh, just kidding. We couldn't keep up anyway. This van is fast, but
Dubai. So it's from Dubai? Yeah, really nice. This is exotic because it has the interesting number plate.
You wanna have a look at the engine?
Yeah, please.
The car was sent to Japan last June for the complete engine build, transmission,
Wow.
everything. Yeah, so everything you see is new. It's a 2.8.
Oh, so it's a stroker kit?
Yes, yes.
Stroker kit.
HKS 2.8 engine, Midori Spec. Yeah, it's a Nismo plenum also shaved.
Wow.
The V-cam also it's shaved totally.
Carbon air intake. And also this one, the strut tower.
Tower.
Really clean. Looks and the bonnet is carbon.
This one also the stays.
Oh. All the small details. I mean, how many horsepower does it have?
The car is still in the break-in period. Expecting like 650, around 650.
So it has more different maps?
Yes, 4 maps.
Oh, okay.
We are looking for reliability, that's all, to be driven every day.
And the transmission, anything?
Yeah, it's upgraded, and the transfer case as well.
This one, does it have as the all-wheel steering?
Yes.
And did you delete it or you kept it?
We deleted it 4 days ago.
Oh, okay.
It was said like it's an old technology. You don't.
Yeah.
You know.
And the all-wheel drive system is still in
Yeah,
place?
still working.
Yeah.
But this system is isolated than this one.
Uh-huh. So I think a lot of money went into this car. So you're very, very passionate about it.
Yeah. I mean, it was just a goal, you know.
But it's an iconic car, yeah.
The car was displayed in the RS meeting as well.
Oh.
It will be displayed next month, first I think or 2nd of December, in Nismo Festival as well. It will be displayed as a demo car for the workshop.
Now also I saw that the wing, it's adjustable.
Yes, it's with a Nismo carbon fiber wing flap.
And anything on the body, like any other except the hood, like carbon?
Has the Nismo front bumper, Zetune, and the Zetune carbon fiber front diffuser. It has the Zetune fenders,
Arches, yeah.
and
Fenders.
the Mainz mirror side mirror.
Oh, those look so...
And besides that, from this row, the wing flap we just mentioned, and rear skirts and rear diffuser fins, carbon fiber. from this.
Okay.
So we can just say it's a full Zetune body kit.
Really, really nice. Also big exhaust and you can fit your head in.
Yeah, it's Midori exhaust.
So this is like a shop in Dubai?
No, it's here in Japan.
Oh, it's in Japan.
The car was built in Japan.
Oh, okay.
But the parts, like the engine was built around 5 months ago.
Okay.
And until like the rest of the job was done when the car arrived here.
Cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you
for your time.
Pleasure, thank you.
Really nice car. Enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
louder than your girlfriend last night. M3.5.